G'day. As you know, I got myself a new MIG welder, and you might have seen previous video where I showed how to put the wire in. Well, in this video I'm just going to show you me using it for, well, not the first time because I've been down there practicing, just to get used to the trigger and all that sort of crap. So I've got the ride-on lawnmower bloody cutting deck and I'm about to weld the wheel on. I'll show you, I'll bring you down and I'll show you what I've done. So I've got the bracket, see, it's the same as this bracket. I've taken the wheel off it. So the wheel goes on there. This magnet's only just holding it. Got a little spacer under here, which is pretty well what that space is there. And before I patch this up, I drew a couple of lines up here, just roughly where I thought it sat. And to me, looks like it's sitting pretty good. Now I'll set the camera back up and I'll get a couple of tacks in here, and we'll take this magnet off and just see if it's all sitting right. Right, now I'll bring you down so you can have a look. Not pretty, but it's really the first real attempt. I was a bit worried because this metal here is way thicker than this one here. So I was trying to melt this one and then melt it across into the other side. I think I got it though. I'll grind it up and see how it looks. Right, yeah, there's finished product. Doesn't look pretty down there. I've cleaned it up. Well, I ended up running a couple more beads of weld, just because that first one didn't penetrate really far into this metal because it's thicker than that one. It got into that good. So just weld it all the way down there, and there's a couple of welds in behind there that it's bloody, it's a bit hot, but you can see it pretty solid. The weak point in this is that metal there. Even though I'll put new metal in behind that, it's only thin, so these are out in front of the mower, so they knock something and it just weakens them each time. So, righto, let's make a template to go over this. I've got some cardboard there, I'll make a template to go over that, and then we'll cut that out, cut a new piece of sheet metal to go in there and weld her in. Let's see how we go. Now it's a matter of panel beating that into that shape there. Righto, so that's what I got. Fits pretty good except for this little bit just here, but after I weld along here and around sort of to here, I'll panel beat that back in a bit. It is only a lawnmower, doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'll fill these bits in and Bob's your uncle. First I'll grind all this off and clean it up and get it ready for welding. Right, now to cut this out, make another piece to go in here and weld her up, and then job finished. this top for this first section. I'm going to cut this bit out too, but this first section's ready to weld in, so then I can cut this out and get the other piece to match in with that. And as I go around, I'll panel beat that around so it fits the corner. Should be beautiful. Let's get the welder ready and tack it in and start panel beating it around. Alrighty, this is the inside. Oh this one here was really thin metal around there. I kept chasing it. You can see there, I kept chasing it up here. Eventually I got all the holes filled. This is the back of where the wheel is. I think that's pretty good weld. But some good steel around that, so I was able to get a good weld on that. And same here with this one. This one had a previous repair. Here's the part of what I took out of it. That's the outside of it, and that's the inside of the previous repair. So yeah, that's the outside of that one. I think it came up pretty good. And then this one here, the wheel. Oops, I've got to grind that bit back when I turn it back over, but yeah, it came up alright, I think. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Give me the thumbs up. Show a bit of love. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.